How to set up TikTok with CJ Dropshipping. So as of now, TikTok is the fastest growing and has the most attention social media out there, and it has huge potential in the e-commerce market. And anyone who does not sell their product on TikTok is, in my opinion, missing out. And that includes dropshippers. So if you're planning to dropship your items in TikTok, I think you're on the right path. So the workflow will be like this. In CJ dropshipping, you will source your products, and then in from CJ dropshipping, you will set up a storefront for your products using Shopify, and your products link on Shopify will be the link that we will advertise on TikTok and post videos about. So this video will be a quick combination of three videos. Previously, this channel has already have a video covering how to connect Shopify to CJ Dropshipping and also how to run ads on TikTok. I will not go into details about those steps, and I will only show you the real usage of those connections of apps. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is we look at the hottest selling products on TikTok, CJ dropshipping style. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you will see these menus on the right and hover over them and choose the recommended products for e-commerce platform with the monitor with the e-word icon. Let's go ahead and click that. And as you can see, CJ Dropshipping actually have a catalog of products that are hot selling on TikTok Shop US, Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, eBay, and most importantly for this video, TikTok. So let's choose TikTok. Now, CJ Dropshipping has a list of potentially nice selling products for TikTok and the currently viral products on TikTok. So let's run a few surveys here. So let's say, for example, the silicone anti-wrinkle patch over here. It has 576 lists, which means that there are a lot of lists of this product, and this only means that the product is good selling. And to verify that theory, let's go ahead and jump to TikTok, tiktok.com, and let's find the product that are listed in CJ Dropshipping and see if it is really viral and selling nicely. So silicone anti-wrinkle face patch. Let's search it. Anti-wrinkle face patch. All right. Now, if you take a look at TikTok, you can see that there are a lot of videos covering this product. And if you see the views, it enjoys a substantial amount of views. Some videos even reach hundreds of thousands. This one particularly reached 500,000 views. And what this video does is that they actually make those videos to raise awareness to the product, but more importantly, they also have a TikTok shop link directed to their own shop to sell and drop ship that particular product. So I recommend you to research about the products that you want to sell and find products that have maybe a little less competition but more potential in the long run. So I will choose the flip-flops here, for example. Now, the first step is to choose your product, right? And so the second step is to add this product to a storefront, which is our Shopify. Now, to do that, let's open Shopify. If you haven't have Shopify already, once again, I highly recommend you to watch videos on how to set up Shopify with CJ Dropshipping to get started. In this case, I will add the product over here to my Shopify store. Let's go ahead and click list. And let's make this real quick. Just a quick tutorial. Okay, so list it now. All right. Okay, so in no time, it should add the flip-flop product to my Shopify store. And let's check it in my products menu on Shopify. All right, so there you go. We have added our flip-flops product to the Shopify store. Okay, so this product is containing a link that we would want to share to our TikTok ads and video. All right, so what you want to do is to go to your Shopify store later and just go to the product page. Okay, once you're in your Shopify store, go ahead and save this website for now, because we will revisit this website later on. This particular tab that is containing the product handle over here. Okay, so now that already covers our CJ dropshipping to Shopify connection. Now let's set up the actual TikTok video and advertisement. And for that, you will need a TikTok business account and a TikTok ads account. And in your advertising on TikTok Ads Manager, you can create ad, and in the create ad button, here you will be prompted by TikTok to create your own ad and select audience and set budget and create ad. And on the end, not only will you have to upload your advertisement video promoting the product, which is the flip flop in our case, but you will also paste the link of the Shopify product into the TikTok ads that you are going to make. So whenever your advertisement goes into someone's FYP on TikTok, when they click go to store, it will redirect them to your Shopify store over here, in which that they can make their checkout and pay to buy your product. Okay, so that is pretty much all on how you can set up a drop shipping with TikTok using CJ Dropshipping as the source and Shopify as the storefront. That is all from me. Thank you very much.